Alkaline, what reach him? Him did run the place about 2.5 years ago to 3 and what reach him? When him realize him a fall off, you know him do? Try a little technique, I try hide from the public and I try now, you know? Like, you know, public I get tired of me.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
No Media Fox, no thing set, you know. Yeah, man. People, I see that brother, yeah. Why, man, I tell you. I don't know how them Gaza, man, you know. Bro, the man them just one bag of crap, the man them come on the media. You understand? Fall upon the media and chat one bag of thing, dog. You understand? Bro, we need some Gaza people where we have a IQ, where we talk and make sense, brother. You understand? Because them all just make things look away for them artists. But listen what that brother here say, people. Because we see him call Massic and Alkaline name. You understand? But listen what I say.
Yo, me not care what no man wants to say. No artist could have find 10 hit song in a 1 year or around the place for 1 year. Bro, no boy. No artist can compare to Vybz Cartel youth. No take that out on the brain.
No artist in a dance hall.
You feel like a boy if you around the place from 2000 until now, bro. Or if him not around the place, him still around the place. Because if you can look and find him name and mention, bro. Which artist about some in the 2000 name still I mention now? I wish artist some in the 2000 I find a hit song right now.
Yo, the brother is sick in the head, you know, brother. What you mean by run play some 2000, brother? Bro, Cartel not getting big song till about 2002, so bro. What you mean, brother? Bro, remember say a Bounty Care man in a game and then remember say a Beanie Man get the man him first #1, brother. What you mean? Bro, when him and Mother start do certain things, bro, him man start get that little look in the real way, bro. And then him go bleach and every little thing. What you talk about 2000, bro? You understand? Cartel never run the place no 2000 and so, bro. Cartel start going with that thing like the real way 2010, 2011, brother. You understand? 2009 when my mother there go at it. So I don't know what you talk about, brother. You understand? But listen what I say, people.
I wish artists some in the 2000 I find a hit song right now.
That's true. The Vybz Cartel bus 2000, you know what I mean? I can't remember the artists them were busting a Vybz Cartel era, but me doubt none of them I find out hit song now. That's true. None of them not relevant now, like a vibe.
Brother, but Cartel now the song we are around the place right now. Cartel now a hit song right now, brother. What not talk about? Bro, we not run with some little hype thing, bro. Some little prison hype man at the shows, bro. Cartel not different. Cartel from Cartel come out a one song. Bro, some little internet thing when I say a man a run dancehall, bro. A man dep on social media. And that's what I mean by run dancehall, brother. Eh? The man dep on TikTok and all them something there. Me know I went since TikTok put in a place where they say them a run dancehall. Me not understand that.
Cartel. As me I say that's facts.
As we currently speaking. The man been a do it, bro. So don't come size up some man when not even there about for 5 years around the place good. Bro, I know you can't find an artist and say them around the place for not even say 5 year consistency. And no one come size up with a man that almost got 30 years, bro.
Damn.
Bro, yo, dad. So you tell me say Cartel around dancehall for 30 years? No, that more I know, bro. Wanna get to the meds from, bro. What you mean about man around dancehall for 30 years? You not sticking on the head? I went Cartel bus. Cartel found out about 1993, brother. You understand? Cartel never run no place in the 90s yet, brother. You understand? And in 2000 him start get a little recognition and thing, but him was still not that main man in the dancehall yet. You understand? And when the little thing him start go alliance now and then him and Bounty fall out. And from there, so brother, him start get the looking and then him go link up with Beanie Man and Beanie Man give him first #1 song. So I don't know what I talk about 30 years, bro. You understand?
On fool.
That a real talk, you know, my people. Vybz Cartel almost going 30 years, you know, triple decade, you know, and nothing normal that, you know, and still current, still relevant. And to what I do right now, selling out stadiums. A lot of people have it to say, yeah, because him come out of prison, you know what I mean, and the people them long to see him. Yes, that is a part of it, but also the people them genuinely love one on the joke thing.
Yo, when the money attack, you have to do shake it, you know, brother. Brother, what kind of thing you not talk about, dog? Stop make Cartel thing look so, brother. Which 30 years? Cartel around which place for 30 years? Bro, the man start in the business for 30 years, bro. No mean say I run the place for 30 years, brother. Like, bro, no say, yo, no forgot what Cartel been doing, bro. Bro, remember say hype and drama and all of them thing the Cartel run with, bro. With him sang them. Artists I get beat up, who I get beat up, DJ I get beat up. A badness, brother. A badness the man been using. You understand? Some don't know what not talk about, dog. Remember man diss up Bounty. You understand? Diss up enough of the artists, then man kick down Ninja Man on stage. Bro. You know remember, bro. Go back in our history, bro, and see what I go on, brother. Cause I come like say, yo, bro, the man never always use music, run the thing. It's all a controversy, bro. You know, him and man fall out. Him and this a girl fall out. It's been that, bro. Drama. You understand? That's why the man say him life is like a open book, brother. You understand? Because him whole life out there in the media. You see it?
Something. They must think them mad. Something wrong with them. Something wrong with them, no youth. And I love people, love man, I love chat or whatever. Nobody no clown around here, bro. It's
brother, you a clown, cause when you chat now make no sense. You talk about 30 years and which dancehall artists from the 2000s and Ray, bro. You a madman, brother. Madman, cause right now, Cartel don't have no song right now, brother. The man not no song right now, bro. Not talk about run place. The man does do a shows. A shows the man a do him never do yet, brother. You understand? Shows the man a do. You see it? You not going like say a one man alone a do shows in a dancehall. Bro, because you know watch one man thing. You know well in tune in a one man thing. That's why. You understand? But artists out there do it, brother. Cartel just a do him a do now. Him never did a do it back then. You see it?
Yeah.
We see greatness and we acknowledge greatness. There's no artist, bro, we can do that. When I ask, how heap of them try and fail, bro. Fail. Them not even pass over the 5-year good, bro. Alkaline, what reach him? Him did around the place about 2.5 years ago to 3 and what reach him? When him realize him a fall off, you know him do? Try a little technique, I try hide from the public and I try now, you know? Like, you know, public I get tired of me.
Brother, stop your shit, brother. Stop it, dog. Stop it, brother. Brother, where them Gaza man come from? The man I go say Alkaline run from the media and whatsoever. Bro, that's the man personality, bro. You have to understand say Cartel love camera, brother. Same thing was saying him go prison. You understand? Cartel can't do without posting something and all of that. Cartel have to post and them thing up on the internet for stay relevant, bro. You understand? Alkaline not have to do that. You see it? Not because Alkaline different from Cartel, you not try to use that to say, yo, Ray, man, I go on, son, you must do this and all of them look at something there. It not make no sense, bro. I be a madness on our chat, you.
How them say Alkaline personality that? What you talk about, my G? Alkaline personality, man.
Tell him that, cause him not understand. Him thinks that Alkaline is like Cartel we love social media. We post everything on Ray just to stay relevant, bro. You understand? Right now, no soon realize, you know, wait till Cartel show them kind of dwiggle down, then you not go realize, unless you go up on TikTok and I do TikTok every day. You understand? But Alkaline not have to do that, bro. And the man name still a call in a dancehall. See him like how you can forward out and a call up Alkaline name. You understand?
My people, I'm not telling me anything about that.
And what happened to him? The technique no work, bro. Him go hide in and come out back and nothing not go on for him. Same thing, man.
The man say Alkaline technique really and nothing not go on for him. Brother, wanna live. From Cartel come out Alkaline name a call. And before that Alkaline name a call, brother. You understand? It's like, me don't know what on there. Maybe on other under Cartel knows or something. Yeah, you can't really see nothing. You see what me try to say? Cause me don't know which part of the world you there right now. Cause at the end of the day, if Alkaline was in the topic, you would not bring up Alkaline, brother. You understand? You would not Alkaline not in the media like Cartel and film name I call up the most. When not in the media, the man not do media, bro. The man not do media. Mastica copy the blueprint and he might do it right now. Him not too in the media. You understand? Alkaline him a follow. He was a man who love go on Instagram live and chat one bag of thing. Now him not do it.
Mastica keep on do. Every time him do, either drop a hot album or him squeeze you out and fling you in 5 hit song, but him space them out to keep consistency, and then him just go hide off back. Cause them know, bro, it not take boy if you stay out here for 1 year and not hide in the public.
Yo, that's crazy though. You know, say from the day Vibes Cartel setting first foot out of prison, the man name not stop ring all over social media.
Brother, yo, them money no sense in the bro. I saw no under Cartel no still no fool. Bro, the man come out of prison, bro, after 13 years. What you expect? What you expect, brother? This man in the media every day they over TikTok all of these things. Remember say all of these page job post the man, bro. Them never see the man for 13 years. So what you expect, brother? And that now use to leverage. That is nothing, bro. You understand?
And it pass a year now. That's crazy. Like every day the man make a headline. It's crazy and not normal that my people.
The man say every day Cartel make a headline. Try no, brother. Me I tell you say yo the man ya sick in the medina dog. Me I tell you.
Honestly.
You never see Vibes Cartel like the man I drop behind bar and I hide. The man in the public and in the internet like him not lock up. Which one of the artists ever do that?
Yo, if you stay
Bro, you hear what man just say a while ago, people? The man say which one of the artists ever go prison and lock up and they behind bars and come back a road. Jesus Christ. Dog, I don't know what wrong with you, you know, youth. So no one artist to go to prison and forward out and make trend and hype. And that you know one, brother? Yo, no vile.
Relevant behind the real still, you know. Vibes Cartel. You're not human being, bro. You're no human at all, brother. Yo, if your man go through all of that, bro, me I wonder how Vibes Cartel no crack under them pressure, the brother. The man stay relevant right through.
You know, when I forgot, bro, Cartel was a Dan within the music, bro. You know what man name? Vibes Cartel. You know what Cartel do? Bro, you have to understand, say, bro, there's a lot of people in a society that endorse the man, brother. Remember, say, DJ usually get beat up on them thing there, bro. When Cartel release music, seeing, the man have the links them a road than any other artist, bro. No sense. When the man they are prison, them get every artist to try collab with him at prison, brother. Not true the man they are prison no means say man have no links a road same way. You understand? It's like no sense, bro. You understand? I just true Jamaica corrupt where him can still release music. If for some country, him could not do that, brother. He wouldn't have no links to even do that, bro. This is what me I try to say. So it's like, we don't realize what I go on, dog. Is it? We just afford on the media and attack one bag of nonsense when I mean, no sense. You see it?
I don't know, normal. Me I wonder how him do it. Everybody I wonder how him do it. Jaja. The man mental stability where him have up here so iron Mickey. Iron.
Bro, I have to just understand, say brother. Cartel I do what him do, him have the links, him have the power to do it, bro. And not every artist have that, brother. You understand? The man have the links, bro. That's why a man could have record him phone and all of them look or something. Them have links. You have to have real links, big links to do all of them. So if them man they from prison they have links like Cartel, bro, enough of them would have release music and all of them something there, brother. It's like I'm not going like say Cartel or just some regular man, bro. Man have a system, brother. You understand? That's why I'm even there road now. I don't realize what going on. I don't know what going on with an artist here.
Brain you have.
Alkaline, we can't hold you time that the man they disappear. I can't hear about him. Massacre, I see him. Every time Massacre usually disappear and I come back in the summer party, him usually come out and drop couple hit and then kind of run off, make you look like same take the year. I be them technique them.
Yeah, you're right. With the Massacre thing, yes. Him drop song like Where I don't know and Rary and make it act like the last part of the year if we make it look like that him take the year, yeah. But bro, what you mean? Alkaline been like that from day one. What you talk about? Every artist when them just bust them do the interview them and everything, but that's just Alkaline, brother. We don't know how you as a man I want beat a you just by him being himself. You understand? Cartel be himself, Cartel up on the media every day. You understand? You must see them, all of them look at something, all of that. You see it? So you can't bash a man for you him stay, bro. That are just Alkaline. The man I love the media thing like how Cartel love the media. You understand? But what? Alkaline name still a call without the media, without him go on the live or this or that. Him name always a call, bro. Because of the impact where the youth setting at the game. You understand?
I use them can't stay 1 year consistency in the media, bro. Them cannot do it, me I tell you. Them can't do it because watch you now.
People, when since artists fi stay consistent in a media, brother. Wait there. What? True Cartel in the media every day, bro. Una use people artists stay in the media, bro. Look on Drake and them international artists. Them they in the media every day. And the man them still a do what them a do a solo, this and all of them look so. When since being in the media every day is something. Me not understand that, bro. Bro, me understand say yo, una artists in the media every day and thing and no love that. But not everybody love them thing there, bro. People want to keep themselves to themselves, brother. If Cartel want to run the media, I'm run the media, bro. Cause I'm an artist. I'm not a TikToker. So if you want to put on the music and start run the media then. You understand? But make it make sense. You see it? Them artists over here so now, them a keep themselves to themselves in them studio, build them song, release it, them fans buy it whatsoever tuning because them are artists. Music them deal with. Them not deal with internet meme and internet things. You and TikToker business. No. A artist, you know them as music, no connect to the artist them through music, not through TikTok and social media, bro. You understand?
I'm show you as an example. Look for Massacre, look for Alkaline. The man never consistent and they run off the place. So people can say, yo, them come run off the place proper. The man them not even have a dancing song out there for the people them dance to, bro.
How would they bombard this? Imagine say Massacre Alkaline and a dancing song. Me not understand to bomb. Wait there. Alkaline and Massacre a ding dang. You know I put Massacre over there so car him forget to beat me, cause him lead up on the Gaza side. But me never know say Alkaline is an artist where make song for dance. I think I was Ding Dang or Elephant Man. Me never know that. But look how much his song Alkaline build where people dance to, brother. Enough song Alkaline have, bro, where people dance to. No means say through the song now say yo, push your foot over there so yo, rock your hand or you know, logo or whatsoever means nobody now go dance to the song, bro. People build routine with songs off of tracks, bro. So I don't know what you talk about. Song, you build dance feet. If you're a dancer, you dance to any song. Especially if you're a man, you dance to the gangster song them whatsoever. You understand? Any song can get danced to. You see it? Yeah, once it have the beat and everything and the song bad and every little thing. Yeah. So when I try to say so, I don't know what you talk about, dog. Will you dig up that from, brother? You understand? I know Ding Dong and Elephant Man and the artist them will do dancing song, bro. Alkaline is not that artist, so I don't know what you expect.
The man them not real song for the girl them wind up themselves. Then they have
No daggering song for the girl them. Like how Vibes Cartel will have Dumpa Chuck and the one of them song they when I broke out daggering man in the party them where you have to get one girl. If you don't have one girl in a party.
The man say Alkaline nah no girl song. Jano. Youth, you don't follow me then no. Come down now, man. You don't follow the media now, bro. Brother, no make nobody hear you say that. Or if you say Alkaline and a girl song for make the girl them a dash out, then wait there. Warm to broke out and all of them look a song there. What Alkaline have. You understand? Look how much girl song Alkaline. What you talk about, dog? Move Mountains, all of them look a song there, bro. Spoil you everything. I don't know what you talk about. 1, 2, 3. What you talk about, dog? Look how much song Alkaline have, bro. When it comes to girl song, bro, Alkaline in this new generation, yeah, they are the top. The man have girl song. Remember say man have all fleek. 100 million on YouTube, brother. What you talk about, dog? Alkaline, you see girl them go crazy over the man. He's like on a sick in the head, bro. A wrong artist you call a while ago.
Your hand comfortable. You see me I say.
no little charisma, nothing. Them have nothing about them, bro. It's just one type of piece them I go up with. If I'm sing one type of music, I just one type of music. Hype. Oh, me have my own thing. No boy can this. Nobody can size up. When I give a F about people, or a man I talk about yo, me a bad man. I'm in a mix. I'm in a mingle. Me a general.
But brother, Cartel not telling us say yo, him not sing no more gun song. So where's Cartel a focus on? Not the same one thing. Girl thing him a focus on, bro. You understand? Him not sing no gangster song again. So what you talk about? Who tell you where you hear Alkaline and them money and stick on one one thing, brother. When you hear that? Bro, no sticking on the head, bro. No so obsessed with Alkaline thing where you chat some crap, bro. You understand? You do some research, man. You not chat GDP, man. Before you fall on the internet, dog. You understand? Come flap on yourself.
Now the thing on my money, not fun, right? Bro, them thing they can't run this thing, bro, for 1 year. Man tell about sing a mother song. Man give a gimmicks. Man tell about bleaching cream. Man sing about rum. Man sing about weed. Man sing about poverty. Man sing about everything. Man sing about church.
Bro, all of this what you name out about Cartel, brother. Bro, let me tell you this, dog. Bro, Cartel is a man where him do these things, put out a bag of song because him always want him thing out there. Him always want to stay current, bro. That's how him sing about everything. You understand? That time talent. Some don't know what you try to talk about, brother. You must sing about church, you must sing about this, you must sing about that. Everybody has sing about them topic. Yeah, the young generation, they move forward and they must sing about the local choppings and everything. Fine. Them do what them have to do. It go and work till them thing does fade out. You understand? You know what the funniest thing, people? These men always forward on the media and try to compare Alkaline and what Alkaline do and what Vice Cartel do. It's like these men we say Alkaline copy Vice Cartel. Now want Alkaline for do a Vice Cartel do, brother. The man might be themselves. And because Cartel do this and I sing about this, you know want them man sing about the same thing, brother. And when you check it from Cartel come out, the man have no song, no one bag of song or run no place, brother. The man release so much song, one song no can talk about and God is the greatest, bro. And I just throw the things that God in it. That's all. Him not have no more. Him man a release song. This was not Cartel when nobody no know when him a release songs and everything. You understand? At first, in a history of Cartel releasing, the man supposed to go about 30 more than 30 songs already. And a one song out of it, people them can say, yo, Ray, when me hear always a play, the God is the greatest thing. You understand? Some don't know what I talk about, bro. I realize that when it comes to Vice Cartel, you change the goalpost. True, Vice Cartel now really get no hit song like that again. You know what I say? Yo, no can't run the media like Vice Cartel again. I see him say if Cartel that get the hit song now, you know that I say, yo, no artist now get this, rare this, that. Bro. If you not fall upon the media, bro, chat something with sense, brother. You understand? That's all me have to say.
Thing about little Rasta, little culture, little everything, bro.
Jano, what Vibes Cartel no sing about? Which topic Vibes Cartel no touch? All out of this universe the man touch. Everything. My people, if you don't know something where Vibes Cartel no sing about, I'm going to know in the comment section. Is me I say.
Wouldn't have them thing they broke. If you try them song there, people laugh off out now and know, so it has sound like a gimmicks thing. Bro, I'm ready for this thing, bro. Now ease on yourself and take on 5 minutes of fame. Yeah, I enjoy it.
All no day you talk, you know. When I talk about 5 minutes of fame, 5 minutes of fame when I talk about, let me tell you this. The words you want to put out there can ricochet back pound or that me I tell you here. Remember say anything impossible. You see it, cause at the end of the day, when it comes to music right now, nobody not talk about Cartel right now. Cartel a drop song, nobody not really meds it. The man only talk about shows where him not do. You understand? And in that media and dip on TikTok. That's all, bro. And I remember say Cartel a one artist, brother. You understand? Yeah. He must sold out him arena them and every little thing. We'll see what I go on. We know what the cost for all these arenas. You understand? Him never go them some of the place them. They get locked up. Yeah, that's fine. But when the reality hit, when everything go back to normal, then when they realize. You understand? So when they out here, I use a Cartel I do for beat the young artists them. Can't realize, bro. When you get up every day, I use a man when at the game for 30 odd years. Zine? 30 odd years with some man we don't even gone a decade yet. Or a little over a decade. With a man where double for them thing. You understand? Double for them thing. Una comparing, bro. You understand? Psychology move una making una compare because every time I get up. Because yo, true them I call Alkaline name Ray. It show me say Alkaline thing great. You understand? Alkaline movement. It show me say yo for una size up Alkaline movement, zine, and with Cartel movement, bro, it show you say yo Alkaline are doing a great job. Cause a 10-year Alkaline gone at the game, bro. And Cartel 30. And the Alkaline first year. Una call up him name with this man. I mean nah see una call up no other artist name to Cartel, brother. More than Alkaline. So many artists in the dancehall right now. All of the artists them who even Cartel boss or give strength. Me never wanna call up for them name with Cartel. Just Alkaline. So it shows say yo the youth thing great, brother. You understand the movement and every little thing, you see it. But I one of them thing then everything gonna make sense soon, you know, bro. Can't realize what go on, you know. You see it? Yeah man, everything gonna make sense soon. I go say what go on, you see me? But people who don't know media facts, you know. Yo, big up everybody who support me, you know. You see me, all if you know supporters or me haters or whatever, but big up same way. You see, at the end of the day, you still watch a video them and still a comment. You understand? Yeah man. Although some of my time when I say something and you know me, when maybe not read the opinion what I say, but I one of them thing there, you see me, when I just listen and learn, you see it. But people who don't know in one media facts, you know, that is it.